Okay, what about the third problem? This problem actually connected with the topic motion into dimensions like free fall, etc. So here uh, we should find um, three unknowns. Okay, so let me read these unknowns. What should I find? First of all, I should find the ball's velocity at 0 seconds, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. And the next, what is the value of the gravity on planet Exodus? And the third one, it is what was the ball's launch angle? Okay, this task, the solution of this task will be a little bit longer than others. Okay, let me start then. You can here already see the picture here, right? Okay, let's find the velocity at 0, 2, and 3 seconds. First of all, here I want to mention that given the velocity at 1 second and v equal to 2I plus 2g j meter per second. Okay, then here we should calculate velocity at different time. First of all, let me write the first equation. And solve for Vx using this equation will be something like this. Vx equal to V0 minus 0 multiplying t here, Vx equal to V0, so Vx equal to 2I meter per second. And we find this velocity for x-axis. What about the y? Solving for Vy. Here t equal to 1 second and V y1 equal to 2 meter per second. And again, using this equation, Vy1 equal to V0, and here 2 actually, which is unknown, G. Here, as you can see, we have two unknowns, V is y0 and gravity. Okay, the main that we actually find. Let me like this one. Okay, so and what should I do next? When here 2 seconds the velocity for y2 is actually equal to 0, right? Because after 2 seconds the projectile reaches its high point, and then it will result that it is equal to 0. And here let me write Vy 2 equal to the y0 minus dt. Here 0 minus 2g, and the y0 equal to just 2g. And here we can like add each other these equations. I can't understand or explain this well, but let me write. So here v0 equal to 2 plus g, and here 2g. So it will be like 2 plus g equal to 2g, and it is actually will be g equal to 2 meter per second square. I think we find first of all gravity, then velocities at 0 to 3 seconds. Sorry. So okay, we find this, and we can also here find v equal 0 as we find one unknown. And for example, here will be 4 meter per second. Okay, this page has finished, and let me move to the another. Okay, and obtaining this gravity that equal to 2, we can solve for Vy for different time using equation again here, this equation. Okay, Vy is 4, and here here first of all we should find for 0 second, right? Here will be 0 and it is 2, but it is will be actually 0, so here will be just 4 meter per second. And what about them in 2 seconds? It will be 0, right? Here 4, here will be 2, 2, 0. I hope you understand me. So here in 2 seconds, here 0, here 2 seconds, and here from the highest point down to point 3 seconds, we should use Vy2 that equal to 0 as V0, and the time needed going from 0.2 seconds to 0.3 seconds. So here it will be something like this. Let me write T3 minus T2. It will be 1 second. So here we should find the velocity that in 1 second. It will be 2 meter per second. That is all connected that we should find for 3 seconds. So we find this, and let me here find what should I find also, what was the boss launch angle. Okay, here I need a new page, so let me just here clear, and let's find the angle here. When when time equal to